I think you guys did an awesome job there, right? I saw lots of good hits from lots of people out there, right? And then in the 3 outs, sometimes you got a little bit distracted. You guys were paying attention in the field, and we got some outs too, didn't we? And that's what we're trying to do when we're on defense, get some outs, right? So that's a very well done job. Yep. You guys did a great job out there. I was really proud. I thought every one of you guys were trying hard. So that was a good job by everybody. All right?
All right, guys. Guys, like the coach, no, sit down. Like Coach Scott said, great job hustling, making outs. You guys look like a team, like you guys been playing for a long time. Okay? I like what I'm seeing. On defense, you gotta pay attention a little bit more to the ball, so you know where it's at, so you can catch the ball. Okay? All right. I don't know if any of you have played T-ball before, but in T-ball, I always give out a game ball to one player. Now that ball that I give out doesn't mean that player was the best player, that player was the worst player. It just means that he participated and he gets a game ball. Everyone's going to get a game ball, okay? So I don't want anybody to get upset. All right? Today's game ball is going to go because of his help today, okay? He helped us out today and he wasn't able to get on the field. It's going to go to Mr. Noah, okay? Come here, Mr. I don't know if any of you are going to go to the snack bar. I am.